Whatever notes you give.
Yeah.
Okay, my doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, what would happen to a living cell if Golgi body is not present?
So what is the function of Golgi body? That will not be done.
Ma'am, so like it takes molecules from the endoplasmic reticulum and changes the simple sugar to complex sugars like
Yeah,
that.
that will not be done. Lysosome production will not be done.
Okay, ma'am.
Transportation of the substances could not take place because they are not able to pack the substance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in chemistry, diagrams will only be of fractional distillation and normal distillation, right?
Yeah.
Only those two.
Yes, only those two. And that this one is
Okay.
sublimation process.
Okay, ma'am.
Sublimation. Yes, doubts if you have, ask me. Any doubts you have?
Ma'am, the derivation of equations of motion through graph.
What happened in that? Where exactly a doubt? Tell me.
No, ma'am. It's,
If you tell exactly where, then I can explain you.
ma'am, can you explain all of them, please?
Tomorrow, what time will be the test?
I'm thinking 30 marks, no, you have. So 9 o'clock.
Yeah. 9 o'clock.
Yeah. So this is the first equation of motion. Here object is moving with u meter per
Ma'am,
second.
are you sharing screen?
You didn't change the script.
Yes, ma'am. That it's yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is a graph. VT graph of an object. Object is moving with initial velocity of u meter per second, and in time t the speed changes. It was moving uniformly and this uniform accelerated, and the speed changes to v meter per second in time t. So this is accelerated motion. So therefore acceleration is equal to change in speed by time or slope of the graph. You can take according to NCERT, I have written this. So you can take a slope of the graph. For slope of the graph, rise by base. So rise, that is a vertical. V, change in speed, that is V by minus U, and in given time period, that is T. So that is equal to AT. Then simplify this. A is equal to V minus U by T. So that is simplify this. AT is equal to V minus U. So this minus U goes this side. So U plus AT is equal to V. This is the first equation of motion. Or in school, what they have told, according to slope they have given, or according to this change in speed they have explained. There are two ways. So this is given in NCERT, what the school has explained.
Ma'am, in our school, they have not taught us this way.
What they have told.
This chapter is not complete yet.
Not completed yet.
Yeah, ma'am.
Physics,
They
what
jump
they
to
have started then?
They jump to another chapter.
Which one?
Chapter 2 of bio issues.
No, physics part.
Physics, not even one chapter is complete.
Not even one also. And other students?
For
Which method?
us also same.
What?
Ma'am,
For
we
us,
finished.
One by one. Yes, Rajshri?
for us, motion in physics, motion is still going on. Last part is left.
So in this one, this form, this acceleration calculation is derived by using slope formula or this same formula?
My graphical method.
Yeah, this is a graphical method from the graph. What they have used for acceleration?
Ma'am, this method.
Change in speed by time only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other school?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, for us, we finished second law of motion.
I'm asking for this only.
In
So
this
this
chapter,
part only for this part, I'm asking the first equation of motion from graph. Acceleration is equal to, they have used this change in speed by time formula, or they have used slope of the graph formula.
ma'am, we use slope of line by vertical length.
Slope of line is used. Okay.
Acceleration formula.
Which one? Nitin? This one or slope?
This one.
This one only used.
Yes, ma'am. She explained both.
Both the methods. Okay, at the time of this one, I have explained both the methods, I think so. Revision time. Revision time, I've told you this one slope also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, tomorrow we can use any method, right?
Yeah, any method. So here actually it is slope. Acceleration is equal to slope of line. So for finding slope of a line, you need right triangle. For that, from you have to draw one horizontal line. Draw perpendicular here. Make this point as A, this point as B, and this point as C. So it is for this slope of a line, vertical distance, vertical height by horizontal distance. So vertical height is BC divided by AC distance. So what is BC distance? So height BC, how to calculate? B is at point V and C is at point U. So it is V minus U.
T minus 0.
And this is T minus 0. The same thing. Only thing they have used this or this formula. That is only the difference. Otherwise everything is same. So depends on the teachers. So this way you will get A is equal to V minus U by T and then simplify that to get the V is equal to U plus AT formula. That is first equation of motion. Then for second equation of a motion, you have to take the area below the graph by taking two triangles. So from the same graph, here you have to take, for finding this equation, you need the two areas of two figures. One is the triangle area and the second one is rectangle area. So area of triangle plus area of rectangle. So area of rectangle plus triangle. So rectangle is length into breadth. So length is OC and the breadth is DC. So OC into DC plus, for triangle it is half into base into height. Half into base is AD. A to D is the base and B to D is the height. So those values we have to substitute. So OC distance is, O to C distance is, C is at point T and O is at point 0. So T minus 0 is OC. So this is OC. OC is T minus 0 and CD is this height. D is at point U, A, that is U, and this is value is 0. So DC distance is U minus 0. So T minus 0 into U minus 0 is the length into breadth plus half into AD. AD is again horizontal distance, T minus 0, and BD is V minus U. So T into U plus half into T into V minus U. From the first equation of motion, V minus U value is AT, substitute. So you will get S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square is the S value, that is distance covered. This is the second equation of motion. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then the third, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. That is also by using the same formula, distance covered is equal to area below the graph. But here we are not taking two figures. That is only one figure we are using. That is the area of trapezium. OABC is a trapezium. So area of trapezium we have to consider here. So that is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into OA plus BC into OC.
So how would it make a difference?
Huh?
How would it make a
Which
difference?
substitution you are doing, that is the difference. Area is same only, that's not difference, but values we are substituting the different values. We are not using T here. T we are substituting, replacing with V minus U by A formula.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you here V value, if you substitute, then you will get the first formula.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is U plus V, that is V plus U, and T value, you have V is equal to U plus AT, first equation of motion. In that V minus U is equal to AT, so V minus U by A is equal to T. So that value of T we have to substitute here, V minus U by A. So V plus U into V minus U is equal to V square minus U square into 1 by 2A. So this 2A will go that side. So 2AS is equal to V square plus U square, and therefore V square is equal to this minus U square will be transferred to this side. U
Plus.
square plus 2AS is equal to V square. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Ma'am, like, can you give a revision worksheet for tomorrow's test, like combined with all three chapters?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Just a sec. Any numericals?
Ma'am, will tomorrow's full physics part be numericals or a theory part also?
Theory also will be there.
Okay.
Any other doubts you have?
Ma'am,
No?
I think no.
Ma'am, suppose like last test, if they will be giving you'll give an exam, like you'll give a question where you have to label particular parts of the cell. Should we label all the parts along with it?
Yeah, you have to label all those other parts. You have to label it. But those are marked properly. You're not supposed to do only one given things.
So the given thing you have to highlight it.
Highlight it.
Okay, ma'am. Like different color pen.
No, you can directly mark it or make a square box.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, questions are there in front of you. Are you
Now we
able
can
to see?
start solving.
The chapter.
8th chapter. This part is not there.
Ma'am, we can start solving.
Start from here, motion part. So this is 15th chapter. Identify the kind of motion in the following cases. A car moving with a constant speed, turning around a curve. Which type of a motion is this?
Ma'am, where do we
Non-uniform
start from?
motion.
This is motion part, motion. So these 8 questions are from 15th chapter, improvement in food resources. Start from this one. Question number
Ma'am,
one.
should we tell or should we write?
Tell also, I'm asking questions to tell and then write also.
Non-uniform.
Non-uniform circular motion.
No.
Non-uniformly accelerated circular motion.
No. Yes, Rajshri?
Uniform circular motion.
No. Nitin?
Circular motion.
Nitin? Nitin, are you there or gone? Deepika? Deepika, are you there? When I will ask questions, no one is switching on mic.
Ma'am, may I?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Prithvi.
Prithvi. Yes, Prithvi?
Ma'am, I think it is uniform accelerated circular motion.
Uniformly accelerated motion. Yes, uniformly accelerated circular motion. It is
Ma'am, I
constant.
told that first.
You told non-uniformly.
I told uniformly after that.
No, you both the times you told non-uniformly. A car moving with constant speed. So constant speed means uniform motion. But it is every time the speed is direction is changing. So therefore velocity is there. So change in velocity takes place. And due to that it is acceleration. So uniformly accelerated motion. But it is along a curve, so it is circular motion. An electron orbiting around the nucleus.
Uniform circular motion.
Uniform circular motion.
Uniformly accelerated circular motion. Here also acceleration will be there.
Uniformly accelerated circular motion.
An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 36,000 kilometers.
Ma'am, so we should mention like it's accelerated or
Yes,
uniform.
you have to.
Okay, ma'am.
Now B is the numerical. You have to solve that numerical. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 36,000 kilometers. calculate its speeds if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the Earth.
Ma'am, in this, should we take pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14?
22 by 7 doesn't work out here because 36,000 or either 24. Both are not divisible by 7. So no use of 22 by 7.
So we have to take 3.14.
Better. Find in kilometer per hour only. Don't convert into meter per second. It will be again then huge value.
Ma'am, in the second part, how is it accelerating?
Because the electrons are moving in a circular motion. So circular motion velocity is changing continuously. Direction is changing. So when direction is changing, it is accelerated motion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were asking something, Rajshri?
No, ma'am, I got the answer.
What's the answer?
9420.
To 20 kilometer per hour.
Yes. 9420 kilometer per
Kilometer
hour.
per hour.
Define average speed. And then find out that.
Ma'am, could you repeat the answer?
9420 kilometer per hour.
Yes, ma'am, I got same answer. Ma'am, what should we do now? Second question, B part.
Second question. Define average velocity, speed, average speed. And then numerical.
Average speed is total distance covered upon total time, right?
It's the ratio of total distance covered to the total distance traveled.
Ma'am, is the answer 3.428?
Which one?
34.28. Okay.
It's 3.428.
No, it's not 3 point. It's not possible.
34,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
34,
34.28.
yes, right. 34.
Of 34.28 kilometers per hour, right?
Yes. After second numerical, second B numerical, do the fifth question. After second numerical, solve the fifth numerical.
Ma'am, the answer for 2B is 34.28.
Yes.
Okay. So, sorry, ma'am, in the
Yes.
fourth question, what we should find?
Not fourth, fifth question. Fourth question speed you have to calculate.
Oh,
Ma'am, in second question, ma'am, like the bus
Yeah.
travels a distance 120 kilometer. Means like one time he travels one
Total 120. Total.
total 120. Okay.
First with the speed of 840 kilometer and return. No. Total. Yes. No. It is 120 one side
And then coming back
and return backs with
other
30. The same
like
distance.
same distance, like
Yeah.
120.
Ma'am,
120.
is the average
So that is-
speed for the fifth one 37.5 kilometer per hour?
7
So like he travels 120 kilometer with 40 kilometer per hour
per hour
speed,
speed,
and then
and then yes. So 3
again
plus
120
4,
kilometer.
yes. 3 plus 4, 7 hours is the total. This way.
And
7
total
hours is
distance is
the
240.
total hour and 240 total
Okay,
distance.
yeah, that's what.
Ma'am, for the fifth one is average speed 37.5 kilometers per hour.
I need to calculate. Wait a second. 30 and 15. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, even I got the same answer.
Okay.
Displacement is 0.
Yeah, displacement is 0. $37.5, right?
Ma'am, and this distance 2 kilometers.
Huh?
This distance 2 kilometers.
Distance traveled by the car. 37.5. Distance. How it is 2 kilometer?
ma'am, in the fifth question, second part. So we need,
Distance you cannot calculate.
yes, ma'am. So
Ma'am, you
Distance you
cannot
can-
calculate distance.
No, you cannot calculate distance covered. Only displacement and this one displacement you can take it 2x. You can make it. You can write as
Distance I took,
2x kilometer.
Distance.
Yes. Total distance covered is 2x kilometers.
We had a similar problem and my physics teacher solved it.
That's what I'm asking you. 2x kilometers because we don't know what is x value.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after fifth one, what should we calculate?
Sixth one.
I mean, fifth question, we just know the speed. So if we take the total distance as 2x and s1 will be x. So,
X by 30 is time.
okay. Oh, yes.
Ma'am, sixth one is rest.
No.
No, constant speed, constant speed,
No, ma'am, uniform velocity.
constant speed.
Uniform velocity, uniform motion.
Acceleration is 0. I didn't understand the C part.
Ma'am, I guess there will be a slope
Rectangle.
and uniformly slope, increasing uniformly.
Increasing uniformly, straight line,
Linear graph.
inclined to x-axis. The second case of distance time graph. Second case of distance time graph.
Ma'am, won't it be a rectangle because it is
No.
parallel to time axis?
No, they are asking distance time graph. Uniform
Okay, ma'am.
motion.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
uniform motion distance time graph is
It will
straight line inclined to x-axis.
Yes, ma'am.
Linear graph.
I thought it was referred to the question above.
be graph, yeah.
Same graph only, same condition, but they have explained about velocity time graph and they are asked you to draw the distance time graph.
Ma'am, so should we draw it in a graph and show?
Yes, not graph paper, normal paper.
Okay, ma'am. In that question, answer paper itself.
Yeah. Seventh. Seventh numerical.
Ma'am, should we do the A part or the B part? Should we draw the distance line graph?
Yes. Anyone still have any doubt? Others are not speaking. Sia, Sunanda, Tejal, Srija, Sanjana, Vishal.
No doubt, ma'am.
Next class I will start with atoms and molecules. Third and fourth chapter continuation. Both chapters together need to be explained.
Ma'am, what is the fourth chapter?
Completed, no, ma'am.
What? What, Rashri?
Ma'am, then chemistry will be completed, right?
Yeah, it will take time. It is not so small chapters. Both together will take a lot of time.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the fourth chapter?
Atoms and molecules.
Third is atom.
Structure of an atom.
Ma'am, atoms or molecules or structure of atom?
Atoms and both together only. They are intermixed.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in second part of fifth question, uh, distance I took as 2x and I got time as x by 30 hours and x by 50 hours. So I added them both, I got total time. How do I
Yes.
get the total velocity?
That is total distance divided by total time.
Ma'am, distance is 75 meters.
How?
Ma'am, 2x average speed value if we take it as x, ma'am. So average speed into distance we'll get, 2 into average speed, that is back and forth movement, we'll get the distance, no, ma'am.
No, 2x by 37.5 you will get it. That is equal to total time. But that is also we cannot calculate properly. Because it is not moved with the same speed. It is not maintained same speed. Speed is different. So distance traveled will be different. Sorry, time taken will be different. X value how to calculate? We cannot calculate. Because any of the time, at least one time is known, then we would have calculated, but it is not known.
What is the answer, ma'am?
37.5. Seventh answer?
I think it's 12 meters per second. A part
12
is
meter
12
per
meters.
second and
12
distance
meters.
covered.
Distance is 720 meters.
Ma'am, in the seventh question, second part, we should draw it in the graph itself, or it's a whole
No,
different
it is a
question?
different question.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is seventh one distance 720 meters?
Yes, right.
No, I can't get the second part of fifth question.
It's not needed to calculate. From that time only we are discussing.
Ooh. Ooh. Ma'am, what will be the shape of the distance time graph? In seventh question, will it be a slope, a straight line?
Slope, straight line. Shape, they are asking. Draw the shape of the distance time graph or uniform and non-uniform motion.
Ma'am, ninth one is the acceleration 0.5 meters per second square.
Yes, right.
And distance is 175 meters.
Distance I have not calculated.
Ma'am, for the eighth one B part, I didn't understand the question.
3/4 of the circle of radius r, particle moves. What is the magnitude of displacement for 3/4? So it has moved a 3/4, 3/4 part. So then displacement from the initial and final position, it will be a right triangle. Pythagoras theorem you have to use.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is 175 meters. 9-second part.
Ma'am, to convert a meter per second into kilometer per hour, we should multiply 5 by 18.
Mom, is the can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
10th answer 27.14.
10th answer.
10th
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
I got 40 kilometers per hour.
10th, I'm finding. Wait.
Ma'am, what are the answers for 9?
9,
0.5?
0.5 and 175.
Okay.
Should we do 11th one?
34.28 is the answer of 10th one.
Ma'am, I'm getting 40 kilometer per hour.
How you'll get 40?
Ma'am, I took distance as x. So time
Why
1
x?
will...
You have already speed is given and time is given.
No, ma'am.
So find out for S1, S2, S3.
I used a different method. I wrote distance be x. So time 1 will be x by 30. But x by 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So x1 is 15 kilometers.
That's
Like
what you have to do, no? Directly.
Yes, ma'am. Then
Second one is 25 and third one
yes,
is
ma'am.
80.
80. Yeah, I added
So
those.
15 plus 25 plus 80 is
140.
120. 120.
Oh yeah, 120.
Ma'am, the 9th one, second part, answer in kilometer or meters?
Meter. They have given in, they have asked in meters.
Okay.
Ma'am, so it's 34.28.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the answer for second part, 9th?
175 meters.
Okay.
Tarun, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, 9th one.
Sia? Sia, which question you are doing? Prithvi,
Yes, ma'am.
which question you are doing?
12th one, ma'am.
Twelfth one.
Ma'am, is that 12th one 66.6 meters per second square?
Was the 12th answer?
Ma'am, 66.6 meters per second square.
No.
Ma'am, 13th one, is it acceleration 1 meter per second square and distance 110 meters?
That's right. 12th answer is wrong, yes. Rajshri, was the 12th question answer? Prithvi was following, yes. Yes, Prithvi?
I think 6.6, ma'am.
How you put 6.6?
Ma'am, what's the 12th answer?
Ma'am, I got 1.85.
Who
12th
got
one.
this? Who got this?
Mummy.
Me has some name.
Ashish.
Yes, Ashish.
Ma'am, 12th answer is 1.85?
Yes, 1.85.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 13th one was correct. Mine.
Yes.
Ma'am, meter per second we have to find 12th one.
Yes. All answers are meter per second. Only average speed questions you can keep it in kilometer per hour.
Okay.
All other distance, all other time, for all other cases, you have to find out in meter per second. Only for average speed questions, you can keep it in terms of kilometer per hour.
Ma'am, for the 13th A part, is it 1 meter per second?
Yes.
Ma'am, then kilometer per hour to meter per second we have to multiply by 18 by 5.
5 by 18. Kilometer per hour, 2 meter per second is 5 by 18.
5 by 18.
Ma'am, for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, it's 18 by 5, no, ma'am?
5 by 18.
5 by 18 is for kilometer per hour into meters.
Ma'am, 12th one answer is 1.85.
Ma'am, in 14th one, along the circular path, does it mean that it goes as a semicircle?
What?
In 14th one, along the circular path with the speed of 10 meters per second, it doesn't mean it's going
Circle.
around semicircle, A to
Circle.
B. Ma'am, it's a diameter, right?
With A to B as one of its diameter from A to B alone. Yeah.
Semicircle.
Yes.
So you have to take the circumference as 3140 by 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer for 12
Ma'am,
1.85 meter per second square.
That's right.
okay. Ma'am, for the 13th one, 1 meter per second square.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is the 14th one time is 112.14 seconds.
49 to find out. Wait.
Ma'am, the 13th one, second answer is 110 meters.
Yes, yeah. Who's telling me answer?
Ma'am, time was 112.14.
Ma'am, the B part, the distance is 110.
Yes, ma'am.
Which B
110.
part? Yeah, that
For
one.
13th
Yes,
question.
13B be one. This 110.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 14th one A part is 1570 meters.
Yes.
Displacement is 0.
No.
One
No,
five.
1570. Sorry, 1570.
No.
Ma'am, is it 3140?
No.
Ma'am, for the 14th one, I think the displacement is same as the distance.
No.
Ma'am, was the time 112.14?
First, tell me the displacement. Time is 157.
I got 112, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, can you solve this one?
Displacement you have to calculate. That is, the person has moved from A to B. That is diameter. So the diameter is the displacement. So find out diameter. They have given circumference, not radius. Circumference is 3140. So 2 pi r is equal to 3140.
Ma'am, is the answer 250 displacement?
No. Displacement is 1000.
Ma'am, 15th B, can one example be moving in a merry-go-round?
Yes.
Ma'am, 17th one, there's no graph given.
Ma'am, distance time, the slope of distance time graph tells us about the speed of an object.
No. Slope of the distance times speed. Yes, right.
And the area under graph of VT graph will give us distance.
Distance. What's the answer of 14B?
I got radius as 500, so diameter will be
1000.
1000.
1000 meter.
Yes. Radius is 500, so diameter is 1000. So displacement is 1000 meters. And time taken is distance covered by speed.
157.
157 meters, right? No, 150 seconds. 157 seconds. Everyone, 14 question is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the C part of 14th,
Ma'am, could you repeat the question once?
They have given circumference and the person has traveled from A to B. AB is a diameter. So the distance covered will be the circumference of semicircle. So this is half of the circumference of circle. 3140 is the circumference. So semicircle circumference will be
half of
1570. Half of 3140, that is 1570.
yes, ma'am.
Displacement will be the diameter. So circumference is given, find out the diameter.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
And time taken is equal to distance covered divided by speed.
157 seconds.
1570 is the distance covered divided by speed is 10. So 1570 by 10. 157.
Ma'am, is uniform circular motion accelerated?
Yes, always.
Okay, ma'am.
That's what at the beginning only I'm telling you. Every time the direction is changing. So direction change, that means change in velocity. Change in velocity is acceleration.
Ma'am, when is the test, ma'am?
Wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is in this ID only, right?
Yes, your only subjective test you have.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it tomorrow 9 o'clock?
Yes, 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the 15th question, uniform linear motion is in the straight line, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the speed in BC? Is it 35?
Yes, 35. Fine, you can leave now. It's 75. Whoever has maths class, they can continue maths class.
Thank you, ma'am.
And tomorrow 9 o'clock morning.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, which meeting link?
I will send you that message.
Okay, ma'am.
It's yours only. So whatever you are using that.
4303 or 7?
I don't remember. 7. It starts with 7.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send on the group. No issue.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on the 15th question, C
Thank you,
part,
ma'am.
always it's yes, right? Uniform
Yes,
circular
yes.
motion is
Uniform circular
are
motion is accelerated
accelerated.
motion. Yes, always.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Circular motion can be uniform, cannot be uniform. That doesn't matter. This can be changed, but this cannot be changed. Circular motion is always accelerated motion.
Yes, ma'am.
But it can be uniform, cannot be uniform. That depends on the speed.
And ma'am, in uniform motion,
Hmm.
the speed is also always the same. I mean,
Speed is same always. Direction and the speed both are same.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Class 10, switch on video.